Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In this video, we're going to learn how to find your Coinomi wallet address. If you need to find your Coinomi wallet address to receive some sweet digital coins, then this video will guide you through. So, let's get started. Launch/open the Coinomi application on your device and make sure to enter your password if prompted. Once you get to the main homepage, select the specific coin you would want to receive funds from the list. For example, I'm going to tap on Bitcoin. Doing this will take you to the balance page. From this page, tap on the Receive button. It is usually located at the top left of the screen. Now, there you will be able to see the wallet address displayed along with a handy QR code you can use to scan for quick sharing. You will see default compatibility and legacy options at the top. Select any one option and share the QR code to your desired person so that you can receive coins on Coinomi Wallet. Coinomi allows you to generate multiple receive addresses for each coin, enhancing the privacy and security. You can switch between your coins and easily find your wallet address for the particular coin. So, that is how you can easily find your wallet address for Coinomi. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.